Type any random keyword into this box over here. Click on generate and you'll be able to collect money online. Naya says, "Sir, ClickBank is not available in Nepal." Well, Naya, in today's video, I'm going to be creating a video for you guys where you don't have to use ClickBank at all. In fact, this video has nothing to do with affiliate marketing. This is something I've been doing for the last 4 years called freelancing, where I found a couple of artificial intelligence tools that will do all of the work for you and collect your money online for you. This strategy pays out direct to bank, PayPal, or Bitcoin, so you can get paid worldwide and do this anywhere in the world off your phone or a laptop or a PC that has a browser and an internet connection. And I also want you to comment down below, what's your favorite type of money? Bitcoin, direct to bank, PayPal, trading money, affiliate marketing money, e-commerce money. Comment down below what money you would like to earn, and I will create more strategies on my YouTube channel based on how to earn in that way. So make sure to go down below and do that. And without further ado, let's get straight into it. What's going on, fellow entrepreneurs? In today's video, I'm super excited to share with you guys the strategy that we're going to be using this artificial intelligence tool to make money online. My name is Jay, and I've been documenting my journey on YouTube on how I make money online for the last couple of years, and I'm back with another epic video in today's video. If you want to get more daily epic videos on how I make money online so that you can do so as well, make sure to go down below and subscribe to the Millionaire Mindset Plus YouTube channel with the notification bell on so that I can send you a message every time I upload a brand new video just like today's one. And without further ado, let's get straight into my PC. Alright, so we are now inside of my PC, and this is the brand new website over here that offers tons of different artificial intelligence tools that you can use to make money online. So this is Zyro, and we can see this person or bot as Zyro, and Zyro has various different functions, from AI writers, AI background removers, AI slogan generators, AI image upscalers, AI business name generators, AI blog title generators, and an AI heat map. And you can actually go and use all of these AI functions that Zyro offers to go and make money online. And this is my favorite part, and this is my favorite part about Zyro. If I scroll down, take a look at this. They charge $2.99, $3.99 a month, but all of these AI artificial intelligence tools that Zyro offers is completely free to use. So you don't even need to spend any money on Zyro to go and use these artificial intelligence tools. So you don't need to worry about spending any money or taking a credit card out or signing up for some 3-day trial and then it suddenly takes the money out of your account 3 days later. You don't need to enter any credit card information at all. All of these artificial intelligence tools over here are completely free to use. And just to show you that this is a trusted website, if I come over to trustpilot.com over here and I'll have a look at some of the Zyro reviews, the average rating is 4.4 stars at an 82% 5-star, 8% 4-star, 2% 4 and 3-star, and 6% 1-star. And if I go and have a look through all of these reviews over here, all of these are 5-star reviews with very positive feedback. There are currently over 516 reviews, and most people are saying the easiest website builder I've ever used, amazing website builder, an amazing option for website builders. I wanted a simple, clean, and easy website builder to use. Best prices, second to none customer service. So everybody using this artificial intelligence tool called Zyro seems to be very satisfied. So this is just to show you that this is some kind of trusted website. As you know, when some people talk about bots and artificial intelligence tools on YouTube, some people immediately think, oh, this could be something scammy or doesn't seem right. This is just to show you that this tool is highly rated and a lot of people recommend it. Now, I've combined the strategy that I'm about to show you with Zyro over here to combine the perfect strategy to make money online. So that's going to lead us to the second step of this video. Now that we know about Zyro and the different artificial intelligence tools that Zyro offers, we're going to come over to the products tab over here, go and click on AI slogan generator, and over here by typing in one simple keyword, you can make heads turn with a memorable slogan created by this powerful AI generator. 4 simple steps: enter a keyword, generate the slogan, choose a slogan, and you can stand out. Now all of these tools over here, for example, writing, generating a logo, coming up with a business name, generating a slogan for your business, is something that every single business in the world uses. All businesses need some kind of name. All businesses need some kind of logo to have logo branding and a brand for their business. A lot of businesses like to have a slogan that go with their business. And take a look at how easy this bot is. All you need to do is type in a simple keyword. For example, I'm just going to type my YouTube channel name, Millionaire Mindset. And if I go and click on generate slogan over here, Take a look at this just in a couple of seconds without spending a single cent on this, without paying for that $3.99 a month package. It generates me hundreds of done for you slogans that you can go and use for your business, which all of these you can go and use to go and make money with. For example, a collection of powerful ideas, making the right choice, it's better looking than your soul, be smart and keep on going wherever you are, a real champion for every dream, recommended by Dr. Mindset, a lifetime of innovation. Our phone reveals the true value of our clients. You've got a passion for creating the soul, choose to create the style for your business. So you can see that these are actually quite catchy and cool slogans that stand out for your business that this bot has simply generated in just a couple of seconds. Now I want you to take a look at this. On this website over here, which I'm going to reveal in a bit, people are paying $40 to create a slogan or a tagline for your company. And take a look at this. Not only people are paying for this, but this person over here has had 8,922 reviews, which means this is the minimum amount of sales that they've had on this gig, because in order to leave a review, you need to have purchased their service. So if I go and calculate this over here, and I go and multiply 40 by 8,922, this person has made $356,000 at minimum. Let's say at least 40% of people haven't even left a review. That means this gig has at least earned twice this amount by just creating simple slogans for different companies around the world. This person over here is charging $55. They've had a minimum of 598 sales or reviews, so that is 55 multiplied by 598, which is over $32,000 from this gig that this person has earned. And all of these people over here are selling these slogans and getting paid money online to write simple slogans for businesses. And why people are paying so much is because people don't think about all of these slogans and how to create so many slogans at once. People don't know about Xyro.com, where you can just go and generate a done for you slogan. So what people do is they go and advertise slogan generation services, for example, on this website over here, which again I will reveal in a bit. People then come to this website, or the already existing traffic on this website, see these new gigs, get a notification to their emails, updating them. There is a new service for slogan designs or tagline for your company. They will then come over to this website and buy slogans for their specific company. Now, $40 doesn't seem like a lot of money. It's not enough money to sustain off of and live off of. But if you can go and get volume, it can add up to a lot of money online. Just like this person over here. They've gotten $40 8,922 times, which is well over $350,000 simply because they got volume to that once or $40 service. Think about it like this. If you charged $1 for your service and you got 300,000 people to buy your service for slogan generation at $1, that's over $300,000 made. Making money online is not so much just about pasting and spamming affiliate links everywhere, hoping people click on that, buy your product, and then making a commission online. It's about collecting volume and getting a brand together and an audience to your specific product or service. It's not so much about working hard, but it's more about working smart with tools like this that will shortcut and make the process easier for you to do the hard work for you. And here's the best part. I'm going to show you a second tool that you can also go and use to double your income with this. This AI or robot over here is called Slogan Slinger, so we can refer to him as Mr. Slinger. And it works as simple as this. If you click on, I need a slogan or a name for my company, service, product, event, or something else. For example, we can go and click on company. It will then take us to the next page over here. And all you need to do is just enter your email address and password, enter the name of your company, a brief description, and what is the point that you want to get across in your company. They will then email you a customized standing out slogan for your company, which you can also use to go and make money online on this website over here. And how this would work is you come over to this website over here called peopleperhour.com, where these people are getting paid to sell their slogans. Your client will then send you some information on the checkout of peopleperhour.com. For example, the name of the company, a brief description, the single best point that they want to get across. You literally just copy and paste that from your clients and what they've given you into sloganslingers.com or Xyro.com over here, and all you do is you send them back their customized standing out slogan for their business straight back to your clients in just a few minutes or hours. And not only you can use Slogan Slingers to generate slogans and logos, they also host contests where you can go and make money by submitting your slogans to sloganslingers.com. For example, over here, you can have fun, make money, and show your creativity. You can show off your skill against other great writers from around the world, such as the US, UK, Australia, and any other country. The chance to win money for your creativity up to $5.99. All entries are kept confidential until the contest ends, so nobody can mimic and copy your work. This website is called sloganslingers.com, and if you go and click on write slogans over here, you can go and sign up for all of these contests over here. And then thirdly, I have a third bonus for you guys called squadhelp.com. If you come over to squadhelp.com and you scroll all the way down to the bottom of this website, click on over here under the services section, logo contests. Open this in a new tab. On this next page, under naming contests, click on active contests over here, and you can go and view all these contests busy running where they will pay you money when you submit a name to them, and only if they choose it. Take a look at this over here. This contest is looking for a name for an app-based e-commerce company. They are paying over $500 for this contest. There are still 4 days to enter this specific contest, and all you can go and do is come over to a tool like Xyro.com or sloganslingers.com, generate app-based e-commerce names, and just go and submit this over here. And you don't only have to submit for one, you can submit for plenty of different contests over here that are paying $200, $200, $225, $235, $300. But just to make sure that you understand, you're not just suddenly going to get $300 for submitting your name. The company does have to go and choose your specific name out of the list of 154, for example, if they like yours the most. But there's no harm in trying. It's literally a free opportunity to go and get a free $300, which is really easy to go and do since you've got Xyro to go and help you out. So what I'm going to do is to help you out by making more money online. I'm going to leave my entire playlist on the screen over here called PayPal Money 2022, which consists of hundreds of videos that I've made over the past couple of years on YouTube of my best ways to make PayPal money online in one simple playlist for you guys, which I recommend you can watch or save to your watch later if you don't have the time to watch it currently. But all I recommend is if you want to go and make PayPal money online, click on this playlist over here and I'll see you over there.